Warm water 1 cup. Sugar 2 tablespoons. Dry yeast 1 tablespoon. Mix well as neat. Maida 2 cup. Powder 2 tablespoons. Garlic 1 tablespoon. Herbs 1 tablespoon. Salt half tablespoon. Oil 2 tablespoons. Mix well to make a dough. Knead a dough. Water as required for dough. Then knead dough to make it a soft dough. Tuck dough. Oil 2 tablespoons. Cover the dough. Rest for 2 hours. Soft butter 4 tablespoons. Garlic 1 tablespoon. Mixed herbs half tablespoon. Chili flake half tablespoon. Garlic butter. Mix well. Double dough. Punch dough. Ball sized. Flatten slightly. Roll gently. Place on plate. Garlic butter. Add on the cheese. Sweet corn. Cheese. Chili flakes. Seal sides. Knife blunt side. Mark strip. Garlic butter. Salt in cooker. Place stand. Remove gasket. No whistle. Warm cooker. Keep in cooker. Medium flame for 20 minutes. Baked completely. Follow bread. Add garlic butter. Domino style cheesy garlic butter is ready to eat.